Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kini gesngi atri unailar arajar apusan, kelong gesngi saken mau nak bentagi Khynnah puli. Jongkele di Keane College, kibla pas bha hagajing puli jongki, haka arts, science, bat kiwe gijing puli professional course, limbaga convocational ceremony, kabla penlong auditorium hall jongka college. Kelong ru gijing rakhi ke bekerpang, bat ke bekemen gijing treshi tom, jongki sauspa lepu arngot ki Khynnah kibla pas, bat kibla yo honors ru, bat kibla yo pediang ye ke Keane Students Award, haka bokong san uba polling do, menteri ke kam jengok kai ke sorkar jela, ulasam Syakir ki khusnam, bat ke Pynkup Burom. Keladon ru gijing sam ke Alumni Award for Best Arts and Science Graduate, bat ke Silver Jubilee Award for Academic Excellence Department of Sociology. Lapin shongkun shongs ba ya kan gesngi, de gijing syar bat gijing ruai, na ki Khynnah puli jongani ke college.
I would like to reach out to all of you, whether as groups or as individuals. Please feel free to access support from the government of Meghalaya, and you can have direct access to me, to my office. We are there to support. We have the CM Elevate. We have just in the Sora region itself, now 400 plus homestays have been supported by the state government through the Department of Tourism. We have prime vehicles. We have already launched 100 such vehicles, and another 100 are in the offing. We have the State Hello Meghalaya, the only state government-backed ITT platform, which today is a platform for our music makers, filmmakers, and anybody interested in the arts. I would also like those of you who are inclined to cinema and filmmaking. We have various categories of funding for movies, starting from 25 lakhs to 1 crore. Those of you who are interested, please feel free, come forward. This is one state that is a pool of talent which is yet to be used to its best potential. I'd like to congratulate all the awardees and also students who will finally walk out from the premises of this college and enter the University of Life. To all of you, let me remind each one of us that we have been gifted with the best known wealth a person can ever have, education. Please make sure you make this education your passport to a better life, not just for yourself, but also for those around you.
Ms. Kompo Mite, she secured the 9th position from the Department of Zoology.
Anisha Mehdi.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu. Ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu saw po hajar hadu hendriu po hajar tingka. Menta pila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka. Ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka. Tang kata kawe ke sopti kadai kawe ke design tang naka benta jongpi. Wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat namot pran. Po no menta hau khandai saw lai hendriu san pra hinyo lai pra.